Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the GMC tanker truck. Alright, so here's all these pieces. So let's separate the pieces that are fine versus the pieces that require some sprue cuts. Yep, oh, so this piece requires a sprue cut. Better do that. There you go. And let's trim off that sprue mark. All right, there's those two pieces. Here's these two wheels, and then this little set of pieces. All right, and just clip these sprue marks like that. All right, so that piece is good as well. Now take these tires. We're gonna get these sprue marks off of them. Do this one too. And then there's the piece, this piece. Now it's just this collection of pieces here. There you go. Now take and clear out those sprue there. Alright, here's all that. Officially, we're done the cutting away process of all of these pieces. Now let's start to glue some of this stuff together. So the first and most simple part of this, just get some glue like that, then just take this hood and you'll put it down like that. All right, so you see how that all went into place pretty well. Very good. Now, we have this piece to put together. So you can just do this, and it's always good to test out the pieces to make sure that they're going to line up well. So go ahead and put glue along the little edge there. And then you can even use the table as a guide. Try to get that all there. Make sure that's going in a good position there. Alright, so try not to get too much glue on your fingers. But this is the cab, and it's looking pretty good like that. Next, put some glue here, here, and there. Then put that piece in like that. Pretty easy to figure out where that goes. So that's done as well. Alright, so there's the cab. Now we're going to be gluing together these pieces. So the first, you need to get this all glued together. So go ahead, put a bunch of glue like this, and I highly suggest quick setting glue for this piece. I don't have any on hand, but if you have Loctite super glue that's like, I think it comes in a black bottle, but if you get some instant bond type glue, this is what I have for now. So glue the piece on like that, and then just make sure it will glue into a good position. Once it's in a good position, my experience, it's best that you leave it to dry in that position. So we're going to come back after this piece glues. All right, so after letting this piece glue dry for a bit, we are going to now work on our assembling of this vehicle. So one thing that you will notice is that this here can go like this, because this tire detail will line up with that. So let's go ahead and do that. What you want to do, all right. So what you want to do is go ahead and put this glue at this piece there. Make sure that it's even with the top there. There you go. And now go ahead and put some other glue there. That piece will go on the other side. Yeah, once you have that piece all good, you're good to go. And then essentially, we're gonna put some glue on the flat surface there. I accidentally poured that glue there, but that's fine because we're gluing this together. So put that together like that. Make sure that each side is correct. Yep, just comparing all the angles of this piece going down should be all right. Should be in a position like that. And then, of course, what you can do is put some glue like this. And then we are going to put this. There you go. So all those pieces are now glued. What remains is these pieces. So just take some glue, put it along the edges there. Then we're going to put that piece like that. All right, so those pieces are there. Now there's these pieces. They go like that. For that, you just simply need to go put some glue there, along that edge, and get some tweezers, or this clipper can do the same job. Let's get that in position, like I showed you. Now do the other side. Yep. So all those are good. What's next is go ahead and put some glue like that. Just all these there. And then, well, from this angle, it's a little easier. There you go. And then this piece glued into the same position. You have it done. So what's left is actually just the wheels. So go ahead and do that. If you simply get these where the axle is in the center of this wheel, then that's actually good enough. Now, get some glue onto the other side. So we're actually done with the gluing process, except for putting them on there, of course. But so there you have it, the GMC tanker truck from Miniature Tanks Company. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching this assembly video.